So what I'm going to do is to teach you how to create firstly a set and then how to sort by sets. So let's get started. Let's show you how to create an attribute called set. So we go to the settings and attributes, and then we say create attribute. We give it the name set, and then we choose what type it's going to be. So it's going to be a text field, and we can have how many characters or what the characters are going to be. So if we wanted to restrict it, we can say a fixed number or a range of characters, and then we click on create. Now once we've created it, what we want to do then is to add it to the list of file organization. I've done it at the high level, I've done it at project files level, so it cascades all the way down. So now I can go into my folder list, go to attribute settings, choose set, and that should be added to my list of attributes. Okay, so let's go and find it. There it is at the bottom of the list, but let's drag it up so that we've got it, so we can see it. So now with the set in the attributes list, what we can then do is go to a folder with some files in it. We can apply that attribute to a number of different files. So go shared, let's go PDFs, and there we are. We've got a number of PDFs in here, and you can actually apply them globally, even though I didn't manage to show that to you when I was doing my demonstration. I can show it to you now. So let's say I want to do the bottom set. What you can do is go to the row of dots, edit attribute values, and then in my attribute values it's got set no value at the top. So we're going to call this one 001A. Then we say save. And then the top ones, same thing applies with those ones. These ones become 002A. And then we click on save. So we can do that to a number of other folders, and then we'll get a number of files in the set to be able to search on. So we have a number of files whose set designation we have now set up, and so what we're going to do then is to search for them, and we've called the sets 001A, 002A and 003A. So let's search for 001A. So if I go into it, you notice it will search the subfolders as well. I've got the highest level, I'm at project level. So I type in 001A and I click on the search facility. Has a good old think. And what it's going to do now, it's going to find all of the files that have 001A. So it's found all the ones in the set. But if the file name had 001A, they'd also be in the list. These are all the ones that are assigned to the set, so that was quite good. So that's nice and straightforward. But what happens if the file name is not unique? So what we'll do next is to take the 001elf and now do a search. And you'll see it's got ones with the set, it's got different things with the numbers in them. But what we can then do is go to the filter tool, and if we go to set, this allows us then to go and choose the ones that are just in set 001. So that will allow us to filter the global selection, so we get all of the files that are in that one set. And that's really how it works. So it's quite straightforward. And the reason it's slightly changed, whereas this filter dialog box used to come up first, and then the search was criteria was second. But anyway, it doesn't matter which way around it is. At least we know how to do it. So that is the facility. And just one more time, let's go and do a search for 002. For 002, it's got all the 002As, but it's also got some files in there. And similar thing applies. We can do the search for the set, and that then just gives us all the files. And what I didn't make enough of was the fact that you can see they're all in different locations. So that explains what I couldn't do in the meeting that we had. Thank you.